Hello, so today, guess what I'm going to be doing? Another haul with BH Cosmetics and Truly Beauty. So the first thing I got was this Galaxy Chic palette. It includes 18 color baked eyeshadows. Just looks like this. It comes with a little mirror. And I was really shocked, like, because on the computer, it also has a plastic thing, but also when I saw it online, like, I didn't see how actually, like, dense it was, but it looks way better in person. See, it's like domes. Like crazy, so it comes with all these pretty colors. Then I got this amazing Zodiac palette, which includes 25 eyeshadows and a highlighter. It's like this, and then when you open it, it's like da 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 da. Oh, there goes the plastic. But isn't this beautiful? It also has that kind of baked consistency. You have all these shimmery eyeshadows and like all the Zodiac signs on the outside, and then you have all the mattes on the inside. And the pigmentation is just absolutely incredible. Look at this. So this is Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius. That's the highlight I'm using, and also has a mirror as well. So this is really awesome. Then I got a few of their other palettes. Start with the part of their travel series. I got one in Smitten in Switzerland, which includes 16 eyeshadows. I'm excited to be using these ones. It's definitely more of like a neutral, cool tone palette. Then I got Beautiful in Barcelona. It's also another 16 color eyeshadow palette. Definitely more on like, there's a lot of cool tones and warm tones as well. But this one, it's got to be one of my favorites because it has the shimmer. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks really good. Then for fun, I got one from the Weekend Vibes collection in Avocado Toast. These fun little colors, and mostly has, obviously it's like all the greens, and then the blues on the bottom, and then the pinks on the top. So this will be really fun to use. Besides, I love the eyeshadow. It's avocado, pink salt, expensive, spicy, lemon pepper, avocado toast, ripe, pass, over easy. Just like anything that has to do with avocado toast. They only had a few things left from the Lunar New Year collection, so I got what they had left. So the first thing I got was this Lunar New Year 2021 edit, the Empress Foaming Lashes. These are absolutely stunning, so I'm excited to wear these. And I got the Lunar New Year Face and Body Gel, so if you want to add an extra sparkle, this is in gold coin. You just look at that. Just looks just like that. I got this Midnight Festival brush set. I've been meaning to get this for quite a while. It contains 10 brushes, and it also comes with this little brush holder. It has all the brushes. It includes a deluxe angled powder brush, foundation buffer brush, tapered powder brush, dense buffer brush, highlight brush, small flat shader brush, tapered blending brush, large shader brush, and angled detail brush. It's all numbered right here. And I got a free gift purchase since I got the travel collection. So I just got this makeup bag right here, which is a standard square makeup bag. And it just says Weekend Vibes on it, so I'm excited to use this, and also has a little handle. Yeah, that was it for BH Cosmetics. And then from Truly Beauty, I got the whole unicorn fruit bundle. So I got the unicorn fruit whipped body polish because TikTok made me buy it. It includes acai, chia seed, CO2 matcha, rosewater, and vegan collagen boost. So I've been seeing TikToks of this all the time, and it smells really strong. Doesn't smell like I expected it to be, but in a good way. Then I got the unicorn fruit whipped body butter. So it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's like this compared to it. So it's compared to my hand, it's like, you know, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. So this is the body butter. It's like already super smooth. So it has the same ingredients, and just look at that packaging. Beautiful. I also got the little cute little plumping lip balm. Isn't that so tiny? But then when I smelled it, it smells like mint. It doesn't even smell like the other ones, because the other ones smell like more like fruity. And that one smells like mint. Yeah. Oh, it's because it has peppermint in it. Duh. I was like, why does it smell like peppermint? But you see like the stark, like, size differences between like the lip balm and then like the body polish. It's crazy. And then to get free shipping, I had to get another thing, so I ended up getting the Jelly Booster Pigment Treatment Body Potion. So it helps with like discoloration and acne scars, so I really want to try this out. And I'll let you guys know what I think. So it's basically just like a dipper thing, and you put it all over your body. And then since I had like a more than like a $50 purchase or something like that, I also got some free gifts. So I got this free little spoon that I can use on my Truly product. It's really cute, just a nice little golden spoon. Truly Beauty satin bag to keep all my products in. So it's really cute. I also like wasn't expecting to have like little unicorn on the bottom because it was from, I got all the whole unicorn set. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So yeah, that was it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you.